Good morning, students. My name is Venkanna. I teach Mathematics 1B English medium. Today we discuss Mathematics 1B syllabus, chapter wise weightage marks and model question paper. Today we discuss Mathematics 1B syllabus and a model question paper. First one is syllabus. In the Mathematics 1B, totally 10 chapters are there. How many chapters? 10 chapters. First one is locus. First one is locus. Second chapter transformation of axis. Transformation of axis. Third chapter the straight lines. The straight lines. Fourth chapter pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines. Fifth chapter three-dimensional coordinates. Three-dimensional coordinates. Sixth chapter direction cosines and direction ratios. Direction cosines and direction ratios. Seventh chapter the plane. Eighth chapter limits and continuity. Limits and continuity. Ninth chapter differentiation. Differentiation. 10th chapter applications of derivatives. Applications of derivatives. Totally 10 chapters. First chapter locus. Second chapter transformation of axis. Third chapter the straight lines. Fourth chapter pair of straight lines. Fifth chapter three-dimensional coordinates. Sixth chapter direction cosines and direction ratios. Seventh chapter the plane. Eighth chapter limits and continuity. Ninth chapter differentiation. 10th chapter applications of derivatives. This total 10 chapters. First chapter weightage 4 marks. Second chapter weightage 4 marks. Third chapter weightage 15 marks. Fourth chapter weightage 14 marks. Fifth chapter weightage 2 marks. Sixth chapter weightage 7 marks. Seventh chapter weightage 2 marks. Eighth chapter weightage 8 marks. Ninth chapter weightage 15 marks. Last 10th chapter weightage 26 marks. Totally 97 marks. Totally 97 marks in mathematics 1B syllabus. Divide it into very short answer questions, long answer questions. Very short answer question means 2 marks questions. Short answer question means 4 marks questions. Long answer question means 7 marks question. In mathematics 1B 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions and 7 marks questions are there. First of all, first chapter locus. This chapter total weightage 4 marks. Only one question 4 marks question. No 2 marks questions, no 7 marks questions coming from the annual examination. Again second chapter total weightage 4 marks. Only one question 4 marks question. No 2 marks, no 7 marks. Next third chapter the straight line. Total weightage 15 marks. 2 marks questions 2, 4 marks question 1, 7 marks question 1. 2 marks questions 2, 4 marks question 1, 7 marks question 1. Total 15 marks. Next one pair of straight lines. Total weightage 14 marks. Only 2 7 marks questions. No 2 marks, no 7 marks. Only 2 7 marks questions coming are there. Fifth chapter 3-dimensional coordinates. Total weightage 2 marks. Only 1 2 marks question. No 4 marks questions, no 7 marks questions. Next one, sixth chapter, direction cosines and direction ratios. Total weightage 7 marks. Only 1 7 marks question. No 2 marks questions, no 7 marks questions. Seventh chapter, the plane. Total weightage 2 marks. Only 1 2 marks question. No 4 marks questions, no 7 marks questions. Next, eighth one, limits and continuity. Total weightage 8 marks. 2 marks questions 2, 1 4 marks question, no 7 marks questions. 2 marks questions 2, 4 marks question 1, no 7 marks questions. Next one, ninth one, differentiation. Total 15 marks. 2 marks questions 2, 1 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question. 2 marks questions 2, 4 marks question 1 and 7 marks question 1. Total 15 marks. Last chapter 10th one, applications of derivatives. Total 26 marks. 2 marks questions 2, 4 marks questions 2, 7 marks questions 2. 2 marks questions, 2 4 marks questions, 2 7 marks questions. Total 26 marks. This is the chapter wise weightage in mathematics 1B. Next one, total questions. Total 2 marks questions 10. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Totally 2 marks questions 10. Next to 4 marks questions. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. Total 4 marks question 7. Next 7 marks questions. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Total 7 marks question, 7. Total 2 marks questions, 10. 4 marks questions, 7. 7 marks question, 7. Total 24 questions. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 7, 24 questions. Next one, model question paper. In the mathematics 1B, totally 3 sections are there. First section A, very short answer questions, means 2 marks questions. Section B, short answer questions, means 4 marks questions. Next section C, long answer questions, means 7 marks question. Section A. Section A, very short answer questions, means 2 marks question. In the section A, totally 10 questions are there. Attempt all questions. Attempt all questions, no choice. Answer all the following questions. Answer all the following questions. Answer all the following questions. 10 questions are there. Each question 2 marks. 10 twos are 20 marks. Totally 10 questions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 questions are there. Attempt all questions, no choice. Each question 2 marks. 10 twos are 20 marks. This is the section A. Next one, section B. Section B, short answer questions. Short answer questions. Answer any 5 of the following questions. Total 7 questions are there. Attempt any 5. Attempt any 5. Each question 4 marks. Attempt any 5. Each question 4 marks. 5 fours are 20 marks. Question number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Totally 7 questions are there. Attempt any 5. Attempt any 5. Each question carry 4 marks. 5 fours are 20 marks. Here 2 questions choice. 2 questions choice. Any 2 questions choice. This is the section B. Next one, section C. Long answer questions. Answer any 5 of the following questions. Answer any 5 of the following question. Each question carry 7 marks. Attempt 5 questions. Each question 7 marks. 5 sevens are 35 marks. 5 sevens are 35 marks. Total 7 questions are given. Total 7 questions are there. Attempt any 5 questions. Question number 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Totally 7 questions are there. Attempt any 5 questions. Each question carry 7 marks. Total 35 marks. Section A 20 marks. Section B 20 marks. Section C 35 marks. Totally 75 marks. Totally 75 marks. 26 marks pass. 26 marks pass. Total will learn 97 marks. Totally will learn 97 marks. Write exam 75 marks. 22 marks choice. Write exam 75 marks. 22 marks choice. 26 marks pass. This is the mathematics question paper. Mathematics 1B question paper. First one is syllabus. Syllabus and chapter wise marks weightage. Second one model question paper. Thank you.